This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials. 1/8. 5 by 11 sheet black marker, scissors, glue, and scraps. Fold the sheet in half lengthwise to establish a central line. This gives symmetry and saves trimming later. Cut small 0. 5 to 1 inch tabs along the bottom edge if you want a standing base. This makes your penguin stable. Once done, score the paper gently where curves will be. Scoring controls the bend, so your shapes stay crisp and the body holds glue better. You cut the oval body while the paper remains folded. That makes perfect mirrored halves and saves time. Next, glue a white belly panel centered on one side. Overlap edges by about 2 to 3 millimeters, so seams are reinforced and invisible. For the beak, cut a small triangle from colored scrap and crease it for gluing. Feet are rounded rectangles with a tiny notch for toes. Make sure to press and hold glued areas for 10-15 seconds. So you now assemble. Align head to body, glue at a small seam, then add eyes and beak. Use marker dots for pupils so expression reads at a distance. Seal visible seams with a thin glue layer and press under a flat weight for 30 to 60 seconds to cure. This prevents peeling. If the paper warps, lightly mist the back, then sandwich under weight until dry. If glue shows, gently scrape with a fingernail and reapply a cleaner thin bead to fix edges without bulk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.